Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can reset forgotten password for Chase Mobile. So let's jump right in. If you've forgotten your login password for your Chase Mobile banking account, don't worry, resetting it is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Chase Mobile app on your phone. On the main screen, you'll see the login interface. If you've previously linked your account with Face ID, you can tap on that to log in instantly. But if you're trying to reset your password, go ahead and tap on the password field. Since you've forgotten it, tap on Forgot Username or Password right below the Login section. This will take you to a new screen where you'll need to verify your identity. Begin by entering your Social Security number SSN or Tax Identification number TIN. After that, you'll be asked to provide one of the following: your Chase card number, your account number, or your application number. Once you've filled in the details, tap Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to answer a few security questions. Once you pass that step, you'll be able to create a new password and successfully regain access to your account. And that's it, your Chase mobile app password has been reset.